A majestic example of building artistry. Kansas City's new Kaufman Center for the Performing Arts is also a groundbreaking model of structural and acoustic virtuosity. The 356,000 square foot multi-venue center for music, opera, theater, and dance includes a 4-story wide-angled glass wall front facade, topped by 2 concave sloping roofs and a rear of shell-like forms made of curved trusses lined with gleaming stainless steel strips. The facility's design incorporates a unique box-in-box concept. The complex is actually 3 separate buildings, 2 concrete internal halls covered entirely by a steel-framed exterior hall. The Kaufman Center includes the 1,600-seat Hellsberg Hall, which serves as the home of the Kansas City Symphony and hosts a variety of artists and entertainers, and the 1,800-seat Muriel Kaufman Theater, home to the Kansas City Ballet and Lyric Opera of Kansas City. Both halls feature long-span tapered steel trusses to produce wide, column-free spaces and to support state-of-the-art sound-reflecting concrete ceilings.
The local reaction to the Kaufman Center for the Performing Arts has been extremely positive. The first year we had nearly 500,000 people attend some type of event at the Kaufman Center. People consider this an iconic gem. It's recognizable by the air, and it's contributed to the skyline of Kansas City. People around the building, downtown, have started to spruce up their areas, and it's bringing a lot of vitality down to Kansas City.
The Performance Center's structural design is highlighted by a pioneering 27-cable tensile system, which supports the front glass facade and sloping roof.
So we build these 2 concrete halls, we cover it with 1 steel building, and then we hook up all of these cables to that steel building, and we actually pull on them to the south. And steel has an excellent tension capacity. One thing that does is that leaves us with a steel circle, right? So tension is in the top, and it's in these vertical cables that go down to the bottom of the mast. It's in the rods that go out to the base of the roadway, and it's actually in a steel layer that goes from the base of the roadway back underneath all of us to the steel structure that's leaning over. So our entire structure is all made of steel, and it's all elastic, so it will never lose the tension that we put into it at the beginning. If I can be honest, is probably our #1 challenge and feat that we were able to accomplish.
As a shimmering new focal point for the region's burgeoning arts community and a dazzling addition to the downtown Kansas City skyline, the Kaufman Center for the Performing Arts represents a command performance in engineering excellence.